Hi, so for some hours I have been trying to find what is the use of these command line arguments, and I have been reading these docs. So I have found this that these command line arguments in Unreal Engine 5 is to customize the game behavior on startup. So let me show you. So I have packaged the game. So how it will work? So you need to create a shortcut. So I've created a shortcut, and if I run the shortcut, yeah, see, this will give me a white cube. Okay, I'll close that, and if I go to properties and on the target section, after the exe, if I put a space here and press and type red, apply OK, and if I run the game, see, it is giving me now a red cube. And if I close the game and edit properties, instead of red, I will put green here. Apply, OK. Now this is giving me a green cube. So how I'm achieving this? Let me show you. So in my Unreal Engine project, there is nothing in the scene. So this simple blueprint actor. So in the blueprint actor, if we go to the viewport, there is a cube, and on the event graph, so I have created like three materials, like one green, red, and white. They are just simple materials. And for the white material variable, I just put the default value white, green, and red. And when the game starts, it reads the command line, then it checks if the string is green, then the condition true hits, and it sets the green material to the cube. And if the string match up with the red string, then this condition gets true. It's applying the red material to the cube. I think, yeah, that's it. That's everything. You can go through the full document, and please let me know how you use these launch parameters or command line arguments. I'm pretty interested in this. Yeah, just let me know in the comment section, and you guys can discuss in comments. And I will upload this project into GitHub so that you guys can play with it. I think, yeah, that's it.